Hi and welcome to Midlife Crisis. We're heading today to Vichy to see a castle built in the mid-19th century. It's a surface area of 600 square meters or 6,000 square feet. The surface of the land is 12.3 hectares, 12,000 square meters or 120,000 square feet. It has 23 rooms. Out of those are 16 bedrooms. Here we're in the gardens of the castle. As you can see, it's been a very hot summer, so most of the grass is dry. This was once a winery castle, and you can see here the long distant views out over Vichy in the far distance. And the owner is showing us around the gardens of the property. We're just waiting for the estate agent to show up. It's a total of 3 floors, including a cellar. There. That's our dogs, Nobby and Mari, very excited as always. We just entered the hallway, entranceway when we came in. It's split on a mirror image, so when you come into the hallway, left and right is identical layout. This is the main stairways which goes up, and it's a very high ceiling of 3.9 meters. The fabric here is a jacquard fabric, original, very good condition. And everything is original in this chateau. It's been in the same family since it was built. This is on the 5th generation, and look at the features in the ceilings. It's all been untouched. Everything is perfect. Nothing has been altered. The fireplaces are in good condition, and the fishbone wood flooring is in immaculate condition. And just looking at the wallpaper together with the flooring, it's a nice combination. The molding around the doors, all the furniture, beautiful marble fireplace, and they do all work in the whole castle. Nice interior features with shutter for the windows. These open out to the terrace from the main salon. Here we're coming into the dining room, and this is an immaculate room with oak paneling and all the features and carvings you can see here, and the paintings in the ceilings, around the mirrors, and the beautiful original wallpaper. It's a 3-dimensional in a way. It's a wonderful, all original, no damages anywhere. We're heading into one of the towers here, and this is where they kept all the cutlery, all the plates, and it was a nice room, all in oak, many hidden compartments as you can see here on one side. We're heading now, down there is the kitchen, and on the left you can see that is the staff stairways which goes all the way up to the top, and also they lead down to the basement. The picture you saw there, that was an original old photo of the castle when it was built. And the ceiling rose. In every room there is one, except in a few rooms that didn't have, but each one is different in every room. And this is the main stairways going up, which has ready hooks for carpets we need, and a nice hidden compartment built in. This is metal, all original, hand painted walls, and it still works. You closing it, it's such a good condition, this castle. Another ceiling rose. We're now up on the first floor, just coming off the landing of the stairway. Nice carved stair railing. There's been damages done. This is before the roof has been fixed. And up here we have a total, I think, of 8 bedrooms. And beautiful features in the ceiling. This is another view from the first floor, one of the bedrooms, overlooking Vichy. And as you can see, it's been a very dry summer, so usually the grass is very green. And another ceiling rose. We were stunned about the ceiling roses that it was different in each room and in such good condition. This is an original photo of the potager, the garden where they grew all the herbs. We'll be showing the outdoor area in part 2 of how it's looking today. Unfortunately, it's as you can see on the other video how it will be. It's a beautiful to bring it back to how it should be. That's what we always like to do with castles. This was a nice surprise. They have a clock up in the tower, up in the loft, and it dings or bings every half hour, and it's set on a clock, and you can either turn it on so it rings on a 24-hour schedule or only during the day if you want.
You will hear it, right? You let him hear it, right?
You will hear this in a moment. The ringing, the slate has been fixed where it's needed. There was leakage here in the roof. This is an inspection to go up to the roof. We noticed here there was leaks. There was water in some buckets underneath. Otherwise, it was in very good condition up here. And here you will hear the bell ring. We're heading now down the staircase from the loft. It's a long way down. The floor we have here, this is the staff who live up here. This has been untouched and original since it was built in the mid 19th century. This is part of the outbuildings. There will be more details of this, the interiors, in part 2 of the building on the left. This is the main outbuilding which had for the animals, for the cows, for the horses. And this is just showing the pictures of the outdoors of the little towers they had. And each of these towers were accessible from inside. Here there are some sheep or goats, I think they were at the far end. They're there to cut the grass, cheap labor.
Greenhouse there.
Yeah.
But the bridge is all the way, so I think it was once upon a time was full length, I think.
Yeah, it looks like it has been. And here we're heading is seeing it from I think it was from the west side. And there are dogs again.
Easy, come. Come, Marie.
Thank you for joining us today. Please follow us in our journey of finding our chateau on our travels through France from north, west to east to south. We'll find our chateau in the next week or so. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and give a thumbs up.